Hello everyone. Customers, could you write in the chat box if my voice is audible or not? Okay, I think my voice is audible. Today we are going to have webinar on the topic Trade Like a Pro with a Pro Terminal, which is an advanced trading platform. We have Mr. Krishank Bera, who is a product manager in equity and Pro Terminal. He is having more than 5 years of experience in this field. So I hand over the topic to Mr. Krishank Bera to explain us in detail.
Thank you, Kushbu. Okay, hello everyone. This is Krishank Bera. I am the product manager for the ProTerminal. So today's webinar is on the ProTerminal. That's an advanced trading platform of our HDFC securities. So basically, we do have two types of platform. One is Empower, another is ProTerminal. Okay, so Empowered is a basic one, and the ProTerminal is the advanced trading platform. So basically, today we will understand how you can opt for the ProTerminal, what are the charges, and what are the features, and you can say the facilities we are providing to the ProTerminal. Okay, and let's wait for like 1 minute, like more attendants can join this webinar. For the meantime, can you please write down in the question box, should I do the webinar on the Hindi or in English or the both language? Please write down in the question box. Okay, so I will try to do in the multiple language, Hindi, English, both. Okay, so first before the starting session, first we will understand how you can opt for the ProTerminal, how you can get a subscribe. You can get a subscribe if you don't have access in your account. So basically, first you have to click on the. You have to go to hdfcsec.com. That is our home page. Okay, this is our website, as you can see on my screen. In that, the pre-login page itself, you just click on the product. As you can see in the screen, the markets, research, product, personal finance, just click on the product. In that, the first column is hashtag Go Digital. In that, in the second option is ProTerminal. Just click over there, the ProTerminal, and it will redirect to your subscription page. In that, you just write down your credentials, passwords, and date of birth, and click on the agreed terms and condition to subscribe now. Okay, so by this way you can get the access within the 48 hours. So there are the charges for the ProTerminal basically. So the charges are is to 1,999 plus GST for the 1 year. Okay, but for the derivative customer who are already have a derivative privilege in their account, so we have come with a one more offer, that's called a derivative value plan. In that we are providing, as you can see on the screen, if you click on this derivative value plan, just click on the derivative value plan over here. So in that we are providing 20 rupees per order, future options, zero interest and derivative margin paid as place, and free to ProTerminal. The value plan cost is 199 plus GST. Yeah, so there are two types of option for subscribe your Pro Terminal. First is 1,999 plus GST. These are normal Pro Terminal. Another one is who have a derivative privilege in their account, so they can they can opt for the derivative value plan. In that we are giving the free Pro Terminal to them. So yes, this is a limited time offer, so you can also opt by this way as well. Okay, and yes, so for that, make sure you do have a derivative privilege in your account. And again, there are no charges for activate derivative privilege. If you don't have a derivative privilege, just contact your respective relationship manager or the branch manager, so they can also help you out. Okay, so by this way, you can offer the Pro Terminal over here. Correct. So let's move to the Pro Terminal. So how you will get an access, how you can switch to the Pro Terminal. So basically, when you log in into your account, so if you log in into your account, so it will ask for your user ID and passwords. After that, if you click on the login, it will generate the OTP, OTP. So OTP will get by your SMS or your email. After the OTP authentication, so you will log in into your this website, this particular platform. This is called the Empowered platform. Okay, so what is the difference between the Empowered and the Pro Terminal? Basically, so this is our Empowered, the basic one. So if you want to analyze any stocks, or if you want to see the charts or option strategy, you can say. And if you want, so that facilities is not available in this platform. Okay, so you can just simply buy and sell. You are only you should do is only buy and sell from this account, right? So how you can switch to the Pro Terminal? So as you can see on the screen, this is a blue ribbon over here on the platform. So this is called a menu. So in that, in the right hand side, you can find the Pro Terminal over here. Just click on the Pro Terminal. So without any again credential, you can directly switch to the Pro Terminal itself. Okay. So this is our advanced trading platform, and in that you can analyze your studies. You can also watch the charts, and many more features are available in this platform. So basically, this platform is made up like from the basic to the pro level. So everyone can use this Pro Terminal. So before starting the session, I just give a small intro. So what are the uses of the Pro Terminal basically? So this is a platform for the healthy investor to understand the in-depth analysis of market. Not only that, the ProTerminal platform also helps to our researcher, trader, analysts to know the past, present, and future of the market. The state-of-the-art system designed for performance, reliability, and accuracy gather data from thousands of sources from all over the world, presenting ready to use in real-time information to the users. So the ProTerminal will basically gather news related using advanced or techniques and mathematical algorithm helping you to take an accurate decision in the market, right? So what ProTerminal will do in normal layman language, that it will help you to take a decision making whether you want to for the short term trading or whether you go for the long term investment. And also it will help to for those one who are taking the positional calls in emerging, right? So we have a very good features. So after I will just tell everyone just notes are every points over here, and if you have any queries, doubts, or any feedbacks, just write down in the question box. After the session we will discuss about that. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the watch list. Okay, so this is as you can see on my screen, this is not a normal watch list. This is an advanced watch list. Okay, how it is advanced? I just compare it with the Empowered. So basically, in the Empowered, what you can find, you can only add 50 scripts in your watch list. It's a by default. Okay, you can only add 50 scripts in your watch list itself. Okay, so it is very difficult to add multiple scripts. For example, if you're also doing in the future options and also doing any like stock trading, and you are also categorize your stocks like positionals, long term, so that you can do in the empowered. But yes, in the pro terminal you can add 250 scripts with the 5 different buckets. Yes, for example, so if you have a long term stocks, if you have a positional stocks, you are also doing the future option. For them you can make a different buckets, and in the each buckets you can add 50 scripts over here, and you can easily track it down, and you can easily to find it out, and you can also categorize your favorite scripts on the watch list itself. Okay, like for example, as you can see, I already make my 5 watch lists already over here. Okay, so if you want to make the watch list, just click on this icon. So this is a create watch list. You can create a watch list over here. After that, if you want to add anything in the watch list itself, like I already make my 5 watch list over here, right? So if you want to add any stocks, in the blue icon you just click on this icon over here, and you can add the symbols. For example, I want to add Infosys, so I will add Infosys, and it will add automatically over here. Okay, so by this way you can add 50 scripts in the watch list in the one buckets, right? Okay, so not only that, so in the watches, so we have benchmarking any other broking platform. So they are they are providing n number of attributes, like they are providing like 6 month average, 3 month average, previous open high, previous open like open interest, VWAP, and so they are giving the n, so n different broker is giving the different attributes in the watch list. So what we are given, so as you everyone knows, like if we are giving the all the attributes in the watch list, so that's impossible, because the the platform will be heavy, and everyone it will keep it will take a time to load. So what we have given, we have given the facility of edit column, right? So if you already, you can see on the screen in this icon, the right hand side, just click on this icon, whatever attributes you want to add in the watch list, like if you want to add 6 month high, 6 month low, circuit limit, or you can say 1 month low, yesterday high low, we have this already ticked. Okay, so if you want to add a long term signals, spread percentage, right? And for the equity, for the futures, if you want to add anything, right? So you can add over from here itself. Okay, and click on the save changes. The column shed saved successfully. After that, in the worksheet itself, you can see the all the attributes which are selected from the columns, and it will reflect on the platform itself. As you can see on the screen, I just scrolling to the side, the all attributes has been added in the worksheet. Okay, as you can see on the screen, so this is a long-term signal, so and it's calling the mildly bearish, or uh, like whatever it can. Sometimes it's showing the bullish as well. So why it's showing this particular signal? So if you move out the cursor, it will giving you the all the discrimination. Like it's crossing below 9 days moving average, sorry, exponential moving average of MACD, and anything like all the description providing the watch list itself, and it will understand with the basic one. And if you want to see the technical alerts, so just click the why it's showing the downside, so you just move the cursor, and it will give you the all discrimination over here. If you have to repeated giving the 90 days moving average MACD below the level, the price is 13.5, and whatever time it is, it will show you. Okay, same for the same one. So for the basic one who don't know how to plot all the charts, they're the basic, they don't know how to see the all the parameters of the company. So for them we have also given the facilities of predefined view. In that we have calculated all the stocks in the 5 different parameters, that is technical. Okay, so where you can see, as you can see on the screen, this is a predefined view. Just click over here, so you can see the technical returns, financial growth, and value. So if you want to see the technical, so basically for those one who don't they don't know, they only want to do the day trading, or you can say the positional trading. So, like they don't know but where to plot the charts, lines, trend lines, channels, and all. So for them, we have come up with this pattern, predefined views. In that they can find the all the levels. So basically, it's showing you the S1, R1, S2, R2, S3, R3. That means the support one, resistance one, support two, resistance two. Accordingly, with the 20 days, 50 days, and 200 days moving average. Okay, so all the levels is providing on the single screen, and you can easily find it out all the information in here itself. You don't have to scroll down to the charts and you just plot all the lines. So it's a waste of time, right? So we are giving all the levels over here itself. You can easily find it out. Not only that, if you are only referring to the fundamentals or you are not believing in the numbers or like all, so you can also watch the financial over here and you can see the all the how much the sales and operating profit PAT ratios is given, and all are into the updating on the real time information. So that means we are already tracking. So one more thing I want to add. So we are tracking almost like 35,000 plus websites. So including NSE, BSE. So in that all the numbers are updating on the real time information. So that is not number. There's a not phishing numbers over here. Okay, and you can easily understand the all the like numbers and how it the company is performing in the year on year. And if you want to see the growth of that company, so you can also click on the growth and you can find out how much the profit growth percentage, how the sales growth percentage, EBITDA growth, and PEG. All the information is available over here itself. Okay. Similarly, you can see the values. So this is the values if you want to see the P ratio, P value, book value ratio, EBITDA and all. So all informations you can find here itself. Okay, in the watch list. Sorry. So basically, we are also giving the predefined watch list as everyone knows. There is a like 3,000 plus stocks in our NSE in the Excel in the NSE BSE as you can say. So it's very difficult to like choose any stock like in the which stock we should invest and what are the criteria we should also for them we are giving the predefined indices watch. So if you click over here, you can easily find all the information. So if you want to click on the most volume gainer, so you can click, you can filter from here and you can see the volume gainer or the price gainer, price loser. And if you want to also all these watches are the customizable. So if you want to drag like columns from here to here, so you can also easily drag from here to here itself. Okay. Also, if you want to see the like this Liberty shoes want to drag into the first one, you can just drag into the first one. So all all like it is customizable. So don't worry about it. You can easily handle all this easily find the opportunity from these facilities. Okay. So next we will move to the Excel based trading. Okay. So what is the, like everyone knows like Excel based trading is a new features and it is a kind of a semi algorithm you can say. And this is a one of the very good facilities. So it's an extension feature of live feed feature on the Excel. It's provide the facility to view the live feeds in the select watch list on the Excel sheet. User you can need to connect to the feed server and it is useful for the active trader, and as they can apply custom formula and analyze the output as per the condition met in the formula. So how you can offer move out the Excel based trading. So is a casing as you can see on the screen, this is the link to Excel. Just click over here. It will ask the two options. So basically you have to click on the first one. It's a 34 or 32 bit. If you already have a 64-bit computer, then also just click on 32 bit and make sure that all the Excel should be closed and you do have a MS Office Excel in your system. Just click over here and it will the one down the file will be download, and after download Okay, so after open the Excel, it will ask you enable this add-in for the session only. Just click here, and as you can see on this, okay. So as you can see on my screen, the all the numbers are updating on the Excel itself. See, the all the numbers are up. So you can also add your, you can customize your formula. You can just add the column over here, insert add the column, and you can customize your formula also. Okay, and for that we do have a multiple videos in the YouTube, so you can refer the YouTube videos. And also once you are like if you are indicating to buy or sell, so you can also do the buy and sell from here itself. Okay, when you click on the buy, so for some reason I don't do have a macros. If you already have a macros in your system, just click in the buy, it will go, it will redirect to your buying panel. From there you can do the buy and sell from the Excel itself. Okay, so this is an Excel based trading. Right, next we will move to the news part. So basically, as everyone know, the news is very important in this market. So it is help us to understand what are the updates going on the market itself. And okay, so as I said, news is a very important. It will help us to understand what is going on the market. So for that, it will affect the sentiments of the buying or selling. So for that, news is very important. Basically, the news is segregated into three parts. One is the macro level news, global level news, and my portfolio news. Okay. So basically, what is the, so first we will understand the macro level news. So if you click on this equity, it will give you the macro level news over here. Okay, so it will give you the all the news updating on the real time, and it will show you the raw news. Basically, for example, there's a n number of news for for that, like we have short by the sentiments. For example, which news you are do prefer in your for your for the updates, you just prefer like meat is there, business standard is there, and as you can say, there are like a number of like if you like there's a investing.com is there, right? Like economic times. So if you like refer all those, there's like 10 to 15 website is it's a well-known site for the news, right? But as you know, there are like 20,000 plus website is there to give you the update about the stock. Yes, sorry. So, we do have a, we are, as I already said, we are tracking 35,000 plus website for the from them, other 20,000 plus website for the news, including NSC, PSC. If any news is giving any update for the first, that news will be providing in the this particular section. For example, and it be as short by the sentiments. So like like positive, negative, which are classified in the colors, like positive into the green, negative is in the red, and the neutral is which will not impact in the these, it is showing you the in the gray itself. So basically, right now in the 11:23, the 2 minutes before, the Hindustan Zinc Limited have a target, the JM Financial giving this news, right? So it's a positive news. So if you want to see all news, so you just click over here, it will redirect to that site, and this news is updating on the economic times. So here you can read the all the articles from here. So why should we buy this particular stock? This all the updates you are providing in the Pro Terminal, and that is the beauty of this platform. And one more thing, unrelated thing is there's a no log off time for the Pro Terminal. So if you log in once in the morning, and if your internet connection is good, and so it will still log in till night, till midnight. So there's a no log off time for the Pro Terminal. So like basically you don't have to log in like multiple times and create all the passwords and credentials. So for it will the best of time, right? So for that reason we have removed the log off time from here itself. So the 1 minute before or the 2 minutes before, the one more stock stock has been updated over here. One more news is updated over here. It's like life SBI life insurance, okay, and it's a kind of positive news. That means you can buy here for the intraday. The Birla Estate also acquired premium land of the Exery. So these news are updating on the real time, right? So for example, like everyone are like ये news कहाँ से मिला यार, ये मेरे से miss हो चुका है news, right? Everyone is telling that कि अरे यार ये मुझे मिल जाता तो क्या बढ़िया बात होती. So for that reason, so you in the with the help of Pro Terminal, you can't miss that news. So you can get all the news in the real time, and that is this beauty of this platform. Like Birla Estates Private Limited acquired the premium land luxury residential project at Mallabar Hill. So it's giving you the all the information from here itself. Not only that, we have also given the recommendations, and recommendations like not from our HDFC securities but from the other broking house to give you the more assurance to buy that particular stock. For example, Reliance Industries Limited, the HDFC security are giving you the buying option, but if JM Financial also giving the same one, and with the levels, and if you can say quota security, so that means you will get the more assurity to buy that particular stock. Like every broker is giving the recommendation for the buy that stock. That means the potential is very high. Similarly, like we are giving the all the like other broker house other broker house recommendations, so you can easily buy and sell. Like for example, Citigroup is giving the American Express Private Limited to sell, MK Research giving the Titagarh Wagons to sell, ICICI Securities giving the HCL Technologies to hold. So if you want to see the whole article, why should we buy, sell, or hold, whatever action you want to say, you just click on this icon, so it will redirect to that page, and you can see the whole articles over there, and you can trade according to your uh, according to your decision, and you can make your opportunity by here itself. Okay. Not similarly, we are also not only giving the broker house recommendation, also we are giving the analyst recommendation, like big analysts like Prakash Baba, Subodh Bhattacharjee, and everyone, like there's a n number of research analysts there. Okay, is there? So we are tracking the all them in the website. So in the last 20 hours, whatever recommendation is provided to you, it will be showing this particular section. And yeah, we are also giving showing you the bundles, so you can also watch the bundles, and also we are giving the streaming news, like so for today, like two types of like news is very important. One is social normal article news, and another was the social media news. So in the social media news, mainly we are following the Twitter. So basically, if you only don't have a Twitter account, then also you can track it down from here. So like we do have a like a all the whatever site we are tracking, the all are the genuine ones. So don't worry about it. Everything is into no like you don't worry about it. Whatever we are going to the site is it's a virus or the malware. Don't worry about it. All are the genuine domain, so you can easily track it down from here, and you can create the opportunity, right? So by this way, we have covered the news. So it's a macro level news. The global level news again is giving you the global level news over here. Everyone knows like global market is very important to understand the like how the Indian market will react. It will should react in the gap up or gap down. So that kind of information is available. So basically, it's showing you the So it give you the like Dow Jones, Nikkei, S&P 500, SGX Nifty. So they don't know like which market is like which country do have that market. So you just click on the map view. It will give you the according to map view, it will showing you the global news. So basically, if you want to see the Dow Jones, so you just click on the Dow Jones over here, the US market. Just click here and it will give you the update about it. So from that, it can also create the opportunity in the global market itself. And we do have a global investing, so you can also open the global investing account from the HDFC securities. Just contact your respective relationship manager, so like they can help you out. So if you want to trade in the international market, you also we HDFC security also giving that opportunity to you. Okay. And another one is my portfolio level news. Okay, so it giving you the like meaning by the name itself. The portfolio level news means that you do already have a 25 stock scripts in your portfolio. So we used to only track that particular stock. So we have fetched the data from your portfolio, and we our AI system like searching that if have any news related to your that particular stock. That means if like for example, you already have a Infosys, HCL, ICICI, HDFC Bank, and SBI. So if ICICI giving any dividend, if it giving you any particular news, if buying any stock or any takeover, so that news will be reflected in this particular screen, this particular section, and you can easily track it down. So don't worry, like you don't have to go to the multiple sites like a money control, and you can say the economic times and search it out, and again you come back to your trading account and like you just putting the trade. So all the rest of all the information providing in this single screen, you can also do a trade from here itself, right? Okay. So by the way, we have completed news. Another one is chart. So yes, everyone knows chart is very important for those one who are into the technicals, who are what the chart analysis. So basically, everyone the chart analysis is very important. So so this is a like this chart is in the real time, and yes, you can if you want to. Add any of the scripts, or you can also see the future options for the chart from here itself. Okay, you can see the time interval by time interval with the like 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly from here. It's a view option. The view option basically like if you want to put the studies like MACD keywords, and you can say RSI, so that you can see from here itself. Okay, and what is the benefit of the saving all this indicator is like when you're searching to when you are say, like put all the 5 to 6 chart over 5 to 6 indicator over here, and then you are going to the different charts, and again if you're coming back to the same one, so if you just click on that view, all the levels will be automatically plotted. So you will like आपको हर बार आपको like you have to don't have to plot all the indicator every time. Okay, so it will save your time. Also we have giving the display option, in that we are providing the 10 plus chart style. So if you want to see the candle bar, colored bar, line, hollow candle, mountain, volume candle, Heikin-Ashi, so that you can easily select it from here itself. Okay, and if you want to see the charts, I already said there's 75 plus studies. So if you want to see the RSI, pivot points, and exponential, super trends, so all the indicators are providing in the these sections. Okay, and this is one is a multi-chart view. If you click on the multi-chart, so here it's showing you it's an extension feature, so you can see the all charts side by side over here, and this is the beauty of this platform. And you can also, if you are doing that day trading, so you can see select the all like for example you are day trading in the Reliance, so you just select the Reliance with the every chart, and you can watch it on the different like time frame, and you can watch like where there is resistance and support in the different time frame, right? After that, if you want to plot any like tools, indication, stands, lines, so from here in the this icon you just click, and you can select all the tools, pitch box and Fibonacci levels. You can search from here itself. Okay. After that, if you want to watch out, like if you are already do trading in the future option, so this is for the equity one. So if you want to see that, like I like the trader who are doing in the future options, so for them we are come up with the facilities like option chain is there, or you can say option strategy also available with us. Okay, let's find out. Like if I select the Nifty over here, I select the Nifty 50. So for them, they can see the those who are doing the FNO live futures. So for them, we had providing the 15-minute build up. So if you expand this one, so it will giving you the all the open interest built up with the time zones and zone, like for example the 15-minute build up is have a 25 time intervals which is starting from 9:15 to 3:30. So it's showing you the like open interest of every 15 minutes by the zone wise, like they're giving you the short built up, long built up, short long unwinding, short covering. So basically it's classified with the color, so you can easily find it out. Okay. With the time zones, and it will giving you the showing the indication like how many fresh contract, like if you for say the example like 9:15 to 11:30, it's giving the short build up of Nifty. It's giving you the price on like it's a low and high of the time interval. The 7:38 fresh contract has been traded, the zero position has been squared up, and 3,784 contract has been traded over here. Okay, the all information is providing in this but in the single screen, so you can easily do trade in the future. Okay, another one is you can also, so if you don't know how to see all the numbers and which strike price in the motor, so everyone the open interest is very important for the those who are doing trading in the future options, right? For as you can see, the in the 17,700 the call option, the open interest is very high. So like if you take this call option over here, everyone like margin would be the very high over here, but you will get a 3 to 4% of profit. Like like you will get a 3 to 4% of profit sure, and there's a 93% of accuracy of this strategy. So you can easily find if you want to see the implied volatility and the price and how traded the which strike price has been the most traded quantity over here, so you can easily find out. So otherwise you can make a strategy here. You can make a strategy here itself, okay? And after that, the make a strategy, you just click on the option chain. And yes, the option chain facility is not available in the empowered. This is the it's only available with the Pro Terminal. So you can easily do the buy sell from here itself, right? You can watch it. You can also customize over here. If you want to see the geeks, you want to add the geeks over here. So you can also add the Greek and open interest here itself. And another one is like if you want to see this option into the bar style, like in the chart style. So also you can click on the chart view and you can easily find out on the which contract in the which strike price the most open interest is there available, open interest is there, and in the, how much like in the traded quantity has been traded in that particular strike price. The all information available in the this particular section. Okay. Next, we will move to the radar. Okay, this is the one of the very good facilities for the radar. So everyone know there's a 3,000 plus scripts into the market. So it's very difficult to difficult to analyze or track to all the stock at the same time. So for them, we have come up with this facilities feature along with these features called radar. In that, you can easily track it down all the stocks at the same level. Like we can customize. So basically, we have calculated this stock in the events with the 18 events, 9 bullish and 9 bearish. Like gap up, 50 high, day high, break one, break two, break three, fill gap down. Okay, so if you want to also like if you want to see only gap up, if you don't want to see the breakdown, just click over here. It will automatically close and like this way. So you can only see whatever you want to customize your event, and for it will classify into the colors. How you will classify it? Like example, uh, like अगर पता होगा like 11:41, this is another 11:41 time, right? So in this candle the four stock has been breaking the resistance to which are the four stock. If you click over here, so these are the four stock over here which are breaking the level. Similarly, if you want to see the right now which stock is when the 52 week high, if you click over here, this is the four stock has been breaking the 52 week high. That means is have a potential to go high more from this level. So by this way you can track the all the radar by here from here itself. Also you can customize your events, right? Customize a time frame like 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes. So basically if you move close, if you see close to this indication, so it do have a small blocks over here, small blocks. That blocks is indicates are basically time intervals. That means you can see in the 10 at 10 o'clock 45 stocks has been breaking the resistance one. So which are the 45 stock? These are the stock. That means you can take the position and you can put a target for the resistance too, right? Okay. So this is the pro terminal we have completed today. Okay, and if you have any, so let's start with the question and session. If you have any queries, doubts, feedback related to the pro terminal, please write down in the question box. Okay. Oliver is asking like how to put stop loss in ProTerminal. Okay. So let's take the example of any one stock called Infosys. Okay. So if you want to buy, if you want to like, if you already have a like purchase the Infosys, so for them you can put a stop loss. Just click stop loss over here. Okay, the order type should be the stop loss. You can put the stop loss over here. You can place the order here itself. Okay. Okay. Ravi sir is asking, where can we get this recording? Ravi sir, you can get all the recording in the YouTube. Just go to our channel that is called HDFC Securities. Okay, that's a YouTube channel. Just click over there, and you can find the all the webinars regarding for the pro terminal. You can say e margin and future options, and we already have some like videos regarding to the features like separate, so you can also refer to them. Shishilendra sir is asking how can we place the order for option strategy like bull call spread, extra spread. So that order, sir, that if you want to place a basket order, you can say, or you can see the bracket order that is available not in our Pro Terminal. It's available in our Empower, so that you can do. So in the next version, we have come up with this facility in the Pro Terminal. Don't worry about it, sir. Okay, and. Satish sir also asking like is anything available for the currency trading? No sir, we are the in the next version we have come up with this facility, but yes, you can place the order in the currency. And one more thing, if you already do in the trading in the Nifty, or you can say the bank Nifty, so we do have a facilities called order slicing. Okay, so this is one of the very good features because everyone knows that in the exchange has kept the threshold in the Nifty and bank Nifty. In the Nifty, you can only place like 1800 order at a one time, and in the bank Nifty you can place 900 quantity in the one time. So if you want to place a order for the more, so what you can do is we have come up with the facilities for order slicing. First, I will click on the buying panel. In that, I will select the option. So if you want to place the order for the 18,000 in the Nifty, so you can place the all order in the one time because like if everyone knows like exchange has kept a threshold, then you don't have to place a different order like 1800 quantity with the 10 times because everyone knows when the market is very volatile at that time it's very difficult to catch the all the quantity in the same price, right? So for them reason I have come up with this, like if you click on the option index and select the Nifty over here, okay, and the strike price my would be 16,600, sorry, 17,600 with 18,000 quantity, and the price would be my 80 rupees. Okay, I have this I have said already my order type would be in the limit, right? The all has been said. After that, I will click on the order slicing, and everyone know that we can't place an order all the 18,000 in the one quantity on the one order, like because it's kept the threshold. So for that, we have come up with for the like order slicing. I just click the like maximum where like how much we can place the order in the Nifty is 1800, right? So you can also do the number of slice and the quantity per slice. Either you can both select number of slice, or you can select a quantity per slice. I have selected a quantity per slice over here. In that, you have just click the 1800. That means in my one order, it will like 1800 quantity should be placed. After that, again I have to click on the limit over here, okay, and then I will put that slice. So I will when I place the order in the slice, like when the market will reach to like 80, when market will come to 80, my all order my all 18,000 quantity will be placed at the single in the same time, and this order will be executed on 0.003 second. That which is verified. It will not giving you the time for update as well. Okay, so this is the beauty. So it is called a child order as well. Okay, and this is helpful for those one who do trade in the maximum huge volume in the option and future. Okay. If you have any other queries, if you have any feedbacks, so in the meantime, please write down in the question bar like how the webinar is, okay, where do we have to improve, okay. Please write down the feedback of the webinar as well in the question box. So in the next time we will also, we will do the corrections and we will rectify our mistakes as well. Okay, please write down in the question box what is like how the webinar is regarding to the pro terminal. Thank you, Ravi sir. Thanks for giving me the feedback. Okay, so thank you everyone to join this webinar. And as you can know, the pro terminal is a very vast topic, so we can't do all the webinar in a single one. So this is a very vast topic over here. Thank you, Mukesh sir. So you just contact your relationship manager to how you can get access to the pro terminal. So like he or she can help you out. Okay. And if you want to refer more, if you want to see the like features of pro terminal, you just I do have a many more webinars in our YouTube channel. Just refer to them. You will get a very good information from there itself, and you can easily find it out. You can do the smooth and fluent trading to the pro terminal platform. Okay, and yes, thank you everyone. I hope I made your all doubts clear over here, and have a great trading day ahead. Okay, and please stay tuned with us. If you have any next webinar, just go to our YouTube channels and click onto the subscription page and click on the bell icon, so it will give the update on the next webinar as well. Not only about the pro terminal, also we do have a webinar for e-margin, or you can say the future options. So yeah, you will get a very good information from here itself to the HDFC securities platform. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishank. Thank you to all the customers for joining the webinar. Have a great day.